is their third mini album, which is called Just Right. So this is just a cover. When you open this one, it has actually 3 books or booklets inside. So these are the photo books. So this one is Jackson, Junior, Youngjin, Bam Bam. Well, that time again, Jin Young is still called Junior. So it has all their photos inside, just the 4 of them. So there you go. Then this one is JB, Mark, and Yugyam's. And then last is their CD. There you go. So yeah, that's how it looks like. And I also have JJ Project's Verse 2 album. This is JB and Jin Young's second album. There we go. So this is JB's photo card. You can actually insert that one here. And then I also have his mini poster. Oh, this is actually the today version. Today version on the road photo book. So that's the CD. And this is how it looks like inside. There. So next album that I have is Eyes on You. I only have 2 versions here, the on version and the U version, because the Ice version I already gave it to a friend. So there. So let's open up the U version here. Okay. So this is just a cover. This is how it actually looks like, the album. This is plain. This is the cover, or the sleeve. So my U version has Yugyam. And then this is how it actually looks like. There's the CD. And then photo book inside. There you go. Then for my on version, I have Jackson. And this is how it looks like. There's the CD. And this is how the photo book looks like. So I now have their 747 album. 2 of these are their repackaged album, which is the present edition. And this is the original one though. So for this one, I got Mark for the lyric card. And this is how it looks like. There's the CD. These are the photos. There. And then for present edition, I have Mark for the lyric card as well. There you go. And this is how it looks like. There's the CD. And here are the photos. There. And then for the other one, I got Jackson. There's the CD. And here are the photos. There you go. That's Jackson's lyric